Hey everyone! Are you ready to unlock a game-changing secret for creating viral-worthy short-form videos without ever showing your face? Today, we're diving into shortai, the AI-powered platform designed to make creating engaging, faceless videos a breeze. Let's see how quickly and easily you can generate viral-worthy content. Once you're logged into shortai, you'll find a user-friendly dashboard packed with powerful tools. Let's start with their popular templates. Shortai offers a variety of trending templates perfect for different types of content. Want to share a captivating story with stunning visuals? The AI Story Video template lets you simply input your text, click on the next. Select your background according your story. Also, you can choose the format 9:16 for Instagram, Shorts, TikTok, Facebook, or 1:1 format in the square and 16:9 ration for YouTube. Once you select background and video format, then again click on the next. Select the subtitle style, whatever you feels good. Again click on the next. In the audio, you can choose the voiceover and background music. Then finally generate video. Just go to My Projects. Here you will find all your project works. From here you can access them. You can download your created short video.
One afternoon in Fatehpur Sikri, a humble villager sought the emperor's audience, burdened by a grave injustice. A neighboring landlord.
If you are not satisfied, you can recreate it easily. See how easy that was. Next up, let's explore the power of Reddit story videos. With this template, you can transform interesting Reddit threads into visually appealing videos. Just paste the link or text, and shortai will create a dynamic video perfect for platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. You can also rewrite the text by clicking on this AI Rewrite. Shortai is just like home delivery food, right? Everything is in just single tap. Then, choose the background and subtitles. In audio, make sure to check this background music to enable it. Then click on this Generate Video. To check your projects, go to My Projects as I shown you earlier. Looking for a fun and relatable way to present conversations? Check out the Fake Text Video template.
And the light flickered like it rolled its eyes. That's a haunted fridge, not a smart one. I said.
This template allows you to create realistic-looking text message conversations. Just go to the Face Texts template. These are the sender and receiver chat boxes. You can customize them easily. You can change the alignment. Also, you can add the More chat box. Add emojis or conversation text. I am adding this as a rough conversation to show. These conversations I created with the help of ChatGPT. Once done with chats, click on Next. Then add the background. Shortai also provides multiple themes. Choose whatever you prefer. Then enable the background music. Also, you will get here multiple music for your story. Also, you can add the voice for these conversations. As normal, we send voice text. This is along with the text. Choose the sender's voice and the receiver's. Once you are done with the customization, click on the Generate Video. That's it.
I think my toaster has feelings.
What?
It burned my toast right after I said I was on a diet.
Maybe it's just broken?
It winked at me.
Your toaster winked?
And for dynamic dialogues, the dialogue video template is your go-to. Go to AI Script. Then, select the template. Select the duration of your video is to be. You will get the multiple language to select. Then generate script. Easily create back and forth conversations with customizable characters and text bubbles. Choose the voice for your characters. Then add background, captions, and the audio on the background music. Then generate the video.
Hey, did you know during the Renaissance, art really transformed? It wasn't just about beauty. Artists began to explore human emotion.
Absolutely. And I read that science explodes.
This is perfect for explaining concepts or showcasing different perspectives. But that's not all. Shortai also features an integrated caption generator. Simply upload your video, and Shortai's AI will automatically generate accurate and engaging captions, saving you valuable time and effort. Shortai also supports over 32 languages for captions. It's all designed for quick and intuitive editing, even if you have no prior video editing experience. So whether you're a seasoned content creator looking to streamline your workflow or just starting out and want to create engaging faceless videos without the technical hassle, Shortai provides a powerful and user-friendly solution. Shortai also includes a social media scheduler and offers a TikTok money calculator. Don't get left behind. If you're excited to try out Shortai and create your own amazing faceless videos, I've included a special affiliate link down in the description below. Clicking that link helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you more helpful content. If this video helped you, show some love with a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. And definitely hit that bell icon to be the very first to watch and comment on my future videos.